Are you prepared for the cybersecurity risks of 2025? It's time to upgrade to Windows 11 before it's too late. Windows 10 has been a cornerstone for businesses, but its support ends in October 2025. This isn't just about missing new features, it's about security. Without updates, your business is at risk for cyber attacks, data breaches, and downtime. In early 2024 alone, over 4,000 new vulnerabilities were recorded. Windows 11 offers advanced security features to protect against these growing threats. But you need the right hardware to make the leap. That's where Impressive Solutions comes in. We assess your systems and recommend upgrades or new hardware to ensure a seamless transition. With Windows 11, you'll get real-time threat detection and AI-driven productivity tools. Don't wait until it's too late. Upgrade now with Impressive Solutions and keep your business secure and efficient. Contact us today to plan your upgrade to Windows 11.